Diabetes is a fairly common disease in South Africa. We've got a genetic pool of people that are genetically prone to diabetes, and both the types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, is very prominent in South Africa. The big problem with diabetes is that the patients have got an elevated level of sugars in their blood and in their saliva, and they are more prone to infection, they are more prone to post-operative complications after surgery. So these patients need to be managed very carefully because bacteria like to grow in sugary areas. So the more sweetness there is in the saliva, the better the bacteria grow there and the more cavities they get. So the diabetic patients, it is important that we put them in a good plan to know floss regularly, brush regularly, and control your blood sugar properly. And then we won't have any problems as far as gingivitis is concerned.
Your dentist, your choice.